Alrighty, folks, welcome back to Lunch with Leeloo. My name is Nick. We have Elena here. Elena, how are
Hi,
you?
hi everyone. Hi, Nick. I'm great.
Glad
Another
to,
week.
yes, another show. Glad to hear that. Yes.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So, starting off, as we always do, and as we always do on our Monday shows also, we'll review news for the week, earning report for the week, what's the market doing, any holidays coming up, maybe. And then we'll talk about we'll do a market analysis a little bit, and then we'll finalize with a few surprises that Leeloo has coming up. So let's jump right into it. Today, Wednesday, we already had some news yesterday and today. We had CPI on Tuesday, pretty explosive movement. And we had today core PPI. Nothing much happened, to be honest. I was watching the news live, and it didn't do anything compared to CPI yesterday. And tomorrow we have unemployment claims. We have the news every single week, so that's not too crazy of a movement. But we do have something coming up on Monday. So let's jump right to it, Elena. We have a holiday. That's Martin Luther King holiday.
Yes.
And it's going to affect the market, meaning Sunday is going to be your normal open time. Monday, it will close earlier. So the time you're watching on screen is Central Time. So midday Central Time, markets are going to be closed. So be aware of that. You don't want to get stuck on a trade. If you have it open, you're not going to be able to manage it because the market's closed. And then Mondays will open regularly at 5 p.m. Central Time. And that should be pretty much it. That's the only thing that affects the markets, if I'm not mistaken. And Elena, do we have any earning reports? I recall you mentioning the earning reports week. It's strong coming on March.
For the banks, I just see the banks, which usually they start first, but nothing important from the earnings reports.
Exactly, nothing much going on right now. The market, a few banks are, like Elena said, a few banks are doing their earning reports, but it's nothing that should move the market, depending on which instrument you trade, of course. Okay, so let me briefly go to our chart here. And let's see what's going on in markets. So we had a big red day. Today, Wednesday, we had what is it already? On NQ, this is daily chart. We have 400 plus points of a drop.
So far.
Exactly, so far. It's just, market has been open for like what, a bit over 2 hours. We still have a long day to go. It could be dropping all the way down 600, even 1,000 points. You never know, right?
Yeah, or we can go back up again.
Yeah, exactly. This could be a huge week, and we just push up to the upside. We did reject 26,000, so that's a key level. Always those nice round numbers are always going to be some mental levels. Like you see, price rejected it once, rejected it twice, 3 times, and now we're going down. So it's always important to keep those levels in mind. For example, 25,000 up down here, we rejected it from here, went all the way up, right? So always something important to watch for. Let's go to the ES, see what it's doing. So ES, pretty much the same story. It's been going down the whole day. What is it so far? Almost 70 points for the ES. That's a lot. Continuing our previous week's analysis, we did have an all-time high break on ES. Again, ES and Q, the same thing. A huge round number, 7,000 for ES. It was rejected. Let me just show you 7,000 here. There you go. Price was rejected once, then a second time, and now we're rejecting it from there. So both in Q and ES, kind of like having that same reaction to that big round number, 7,000 and 26,000, right?
Yeah.
So from here, we always said that we were bullish, but it's always important to, not try to predict what the market's going to do, but you just have to react to what it's doing. At least that's what how I do it, right? You cannot expect that the market's going to drop this amount of points, but you just have to react. If it's going to do it, you just have to try to take your trade and follow your trading plan, pretty much. Now, Elena, I don't know if you've been trading this week. Have you have any good setups showing up for you this week?
Well, not yet. Well, I'm kind of trying to not trade every day, so I'm just training myself for now.
Okay, perfect. That's fair enough. Yeah.
But still, it wasn't very clear for me, so that's why. As you see, it's like going in a range, but so I'm just kind of waiting.
Perfect. Yeah, I'd say one of the best performances I've seen, like just from people online, and usually when they have fewer trades, like fewer amounts of days traded out of the week, I usually see better performance compared to people that do trade every single day.
It is true. It is, yeah. If you select really good quality trades, instead of each day just trying to find something, no.
Right.
It's a big difference.
100%. Yes, I agree with you. 100%. Okay, so while the market drops, we might revisit it later. Let's see what Leeloo has in store right now. I do believe we have a few things. So I'm going to start with the turbo accounts. Now, you are not familiar with it. You might not be familiar with the turbos because they're pretty fairly a new instrument. This is an account that we offer that has no activation fee. And it offers the option for you to request payouts if you just need to trade 5 days, and you would be eligible for a payout. Usually our other products have a bigger amount of time for you to request payouts. This one, the turbo, you might just only need 5 trading days, pretty much. So we are having a go ahead, Elena.
Sorry, I would just add something that it's 5 winning trading days, but also they must have like one close trade with 200 profit. So it's like that's the requirement.
Exactly. Yeah. So we have 25% off on this account. This is a monthly subscription. So this 25% off will apply every single month, as long as you need. And you have to use the code Turbo26. That's the code to get 25% off. Remember, these accounts have no performance activation fee. So you just pay for the subscription, and as you qualify, you reach your target, and that would allow you to go directly to the performance account without having to pay anything else. And as Elena said, you need 5 winning trading days. What counts as a winning trading day? Close the day trade with 200 and plus profit. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So you take your trade. Let's say you make 250. Boom, that's it. Already counts as one day profit out of the 5 that you need to make. Now, the great thing about the turbo is if you're trading it, usually you have to build a threshold for you to request a payout. With these accounts, you don't have to build that threshold. As long as you meet the 5 winning days that we just talked about, that makes you eligible for your payout, right?
And also, if with purchasing 2 turbos, this promotion, which it ends tomorrow, they get also a free 25K straight to PA account.
Exactly. Yeah, that's one of the little perks that you have when you purchase these accounts. With 2 of these, you will be eligible for a free 25K performance account.
Yep.
So let me just walk you right briefly. The 25K, let me just change our little banner at the bottom. So these are the prices of the turbo accounts. 25K at 88. With the discount, it goes for 66. 50K, it's usually, that's a little bit quick. 50K goes for 127. With the discount, it's $95. And 100K account size goes for 220, I believe, 240, sorry. And with the discount is 180. So that allows you to request payouts without having to build a threshold, and you can request the payout as soon as you're eligible with your 5 trading days over $200 in profit. So I would say that's a pretty sweet deal. And if you buy 2, you have your free 25K performance account. Now, I do believe there's something else going on our sales website. Lynn, do you care to tell us what is this sale that we're seeing right now on screen?
Yeah, this is like our latest flash sale, which is straight to performance accounts, which the evaluation phase is skipped, and it's only 89. No activation fee. The lifetime activation is included, but the lifetime activation fee is already included with the price, and it's for accounts from 25K to 150K. So I think this is one of the best.
Perfect. So, and then if I'm a trader watching the YouTube live right now, and I see this and I want to get one of these accounts for just $89, I'm just going to go straight to performance account. How do I get those?
Yeah, you just need to email support at leelootrading.com, and we will take care of it.
Okay, perfect. So I just email saying, hey, I want, I want to buy the 100K.
So we will send them the purchase instructions, and so they can get it.
Awesome. All right, so just email, tell us what account you want, and that's it.
Exactly.
Perfect. So just for $89, you could have
ready
25K, 150K ready to go. Oh, okay, yeah, that's awesome. All right. Okay, so guys, always this website that we have, go.leeloootrading.com/sales. If you ever want to find out what's going on at Leeloo, what discounts do we have, what promotions are running currently, always check it out. You can see it at the banner at the bottom. Go.leeloootrading.com/sales. Always your best website to check anything that's going on at Leeloo. We always suggest is that you save it, check it out, see what's going on. If you ever want to, maybe you unfortunately lost your account, maybe you just want to add another account that you have, always check it, see what's going on, and you'll see everything. We have pretty much everything laid out here for you. You'll see all the sales, any prices that we have. Maybe you want to see something for the Turbo, boom, you got your Turbo account right there. Maybe you want something for the Leeloo bundles, that's a trader's favorite also. You scroll down a little bit until you find it, and let me just see where it is, and there we go, boom, Leeloo bundles, 85% off also, right? So always a great website to check out, pretty much I would say daily if you want to add a new account from Leeloo. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we have for today, guys. Be sure to, in the description of the video, also join our Discord group if you haven't already. Leave us a like, but Elena, we'll leave it at that for today. I appreciate you joining us. Thank you so much, thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you everybody for joining us. Always a pleasure to chat with you guys, and yeah, analyze the market and see you tell you guys what's going on at Leeloo. So I appreciate it, and remember, Monday closes a little bit earlier. Be aware of that, and we'll see you next week on our Monday show and on our live on next Wednesday. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you,
and have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.